Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys my most recent favorite makeup tutorial. It's this look right here. It is a nice neutral glam basic baddie beat. And if you guys are interested in how I achieve this makeup look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys want more tutorials like this for those who have, you know, a little bit more in their makeup collection. I know a lot of you guys are interested in like the affordable drugstore makeup tutorials, which I do those as well, but I also wanted to showcase some holy grails like the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filter Foundation. This is a really good one. I'm still a fan of the matte one, but the hydrating one just gives me a nice dewy natural glow, and I've been loving it lately. If there's any products you guys want me to try out, please let me know in the comments, and let's see if we can get this video to, I know we can get this video to 200 likes, so we're gonna go up to 250. So get this video to 250 likes. Make sure you're giving it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed by now and you've watched thus far, go ahead and subscribe. Join the Gem Squad. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. So that's all for this video. I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys.